My name is Terry Green. I'm the General Manager of Tuncurry Beach Bowling Club. Tuncurry Beach Bowling Club is all about the community. We have around about almost 20,000 members. We are the hub of the community, and we're doing some major renovations and additions at the moment. I think the distance between the actual kitchen and the cashiers in the bistro, which is about 70 metres. So therefore, it relieves a lot of our staff. We've become very, very popular with our members and our visitors as well. It's been excellent. We've had some fantastic feedback from our staff, our catering staff, on both in the kitchen and on the floor, and we're very, very popular with our members. There's been a great deal of improvement after we've adopted the robot. It's pretty unique in the area. The customers, of course, are very accepting of the robot, and as we spoke about before, the children coming to the club looking for the robot, and the kids deciding where the parents are eating at the moment. We've had some excellent feedback with support as well, with our staff, with your staff members, and so we can only highly recommend the company to anyone who'd like to take the robots on.